Exercise 5, it's from my own set of SAT papers. It's actually set A, and it's an exercise focused on polynomial addition. Which of the following is equivalent to the given expression? And the given expression is we have to add x to the power 4 plus 2x with x cubed minus 2x. So here, first of all, I'm going to get rid of brackets. I'm going to rewrite everything without brackets. Since in front of the brackets we have positive signs, we will just rewrite everything the exact way we see it. So plus x cubed minus 2x. We know that when we add monomials, we basically simplify like terms. We can only combine the x to the power 4 with the x to the power 4, the x's with the x's, and so on. So here, we would be left with x to the power 4, since we don't have anything else that is similar to it, then plus x cubed, and then the 2x and the minus 2x will cancel out. So that is all. X to the power 4 plus x to the power 3, which makes obviously be the right choice for us in this exercise.